Welcome to Man Cave. In today's discussion, we're diving into a topic many men struggle with, the art of flirting. Let's face it, some guys unintentionally sabotage their chances by saying the wrong things, doing too much, or not doing enough. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's explore how you can improve your flirting game, especially through text. Pound 1. Keep it short and straightforward. When it comes to texting, less is often more. Many men make the mistake of overloading their messages with unnecessary details, thinking it'll impress the woman they're interested in. Instead, focus on brevity and clarity. There's a popular saying, keep it simple, stupid. It's great advice. Avoid long-winded messages or overly complex declarations of your feelings. For instance, instead of sending a detailed account of how her smile made your heart race, go for something playful and concise, like, "Miss seeing that smile. Got a picture. Guess what? I had a dream about you last night. What's your weekend plan besides hanging out with me?" These types of messages are easygoing, flirty, and leave room for her to engage. Number 2. Ask open-ended questions. Conversations die quickly when you ask closed questions like, "How are you?" or "What's up?" These typically lead to one-word responses, which can be hard to build on. Instead, try something that invites her to share more about herself. "My day's been crazy, car trouble and everything. How about you? Hope your day's been better." This not only opens the door for her to talk about her day but also makes the exchange more personal and engaging. 3. Be positive and lighthearted. Flirting should be fun, not heavy or overly serious. Avoid topics that could make the conversation awkward or overly intense. Keep the tone upbeat and playful. You could try something like, "Got exciting news, guess who I wanted to tell first? That movie you mentioned, I'm hooked. How'd you know I'd love it?" These messages subtly show her she's on your mind while maintaining a light, friendly vibe. Number 4. Compliment thoughtfully. Compliments can be powerful if they're genuine and thoughtful. While it's tempting to focus on physical traits, it's often better to highlight her personality, intelligence, or achievements. For example, "I admire the way you think, it's refreshing. That idea you shared the other day really stuck with me." Steer clear of comments that could make her feel self-conscious, especially about her body. Tailor your compliments to what you know she values about herself. Number 5. Inject playfulness with questions. Playful questions can add a spark to your conversation. For example, "Guess what emoji I saved next to your name on my phone? How am I supposed to focus when all I can think about is you?" Playful banter keeps the interaction lively and can lead to a more meaningful connection. Remember, the key to successful flirting is to stay authentic, confident, and respectful. Keep the conversation fun, and let your personality shine. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for stopping by Man Cave. See you next time.